Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how the Rocket AI tool solves one of the biggest problems in tech, the no code problem. So in simple words, how AI is making it possible to build apps without knowing how to code. So let's just understand in a more deep way. So for years, building the softwares require technical skills. You needed to learn the programming languages, understanding the frameworks, handle the databases, and manage the deployment. So this created a huge barrier. Many people had great ideas but couldn't build anything because they didn't know how to code. So this is where the tools like Rocket AI come in. Rocket AI works by turning the plain English instructions into the working software. Instead of writing the complex code, you describe what you want. So in order to access it, you need to first of all come here on the official website of Rocket AI, which is rocket.new. When you come here, you are going to see this type of section where you can start giving it a prompt, and it is going to generate the workflow for you. For example, let's say I give it this prompt to create a website for a fitness coach for me. After giving the prompt, if I hit enter, it is going to ask you to continue with your email address in order to basically create your account. So you can create your account here. After giving the prompt, it is going to generate the layout, the interface, and the underlying logic for the website. So what makes this powerful is that Rocket doesn't just create the visual designs, it builds the functional products. That means the real scenes, the navigations, the features, and the system behaviors, and not just the mockups. So the approach directly solves the no code problem in three key ways. First, it removes the skill barrier. You no longer need programming knowledge in order to get started with it. Second thing, it speeds up the development. The tasks that took weeks or months can now happen in just a few minutes. The third thing is it empowers the non technical creators, the entrepreneurs, the designers, the marketers, and the small business owners can now build their own tools instead of hiring the developers for everything. If we talk about the pricing, if I click on the pricing section over here on the top, you are going to see that you can get started with the platform absolutely for free. And for free, you are going to get 1 million tokens, meaning that you can create your projects over here absolutely for free. Afterwards, if you want to get more tokens, you need to subscribe to their premium plan. Their personal plan is going to cost you $25 per month. Their rocket plan is of $50, and they have their booster plan, which is going to cost you $100 every single month. And you can also compare what you are going to get in these particular pricing models. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.